I glue down my eyebrows because it's not the way everyone else does it. It's more satisfying for you, peel. Ah, this reeks. And why is it that colour? I need talcum powder. And I needed liquid latex. There's too many things. Talcum powder is not setting powder, by the way. It's really bad for doing it on sets because of the flash. So do not do that, but I'm obviously not on a set. I'm in my bedroom, so not that much, probably less. It looks like more because I just need like a makeup sponge. I've used this, but I'll just use this. All I can smell is the latex. I hate the smell of latex. Anyway, so brows. The e.l.f. one, actually, the brow lift. Nothing's really going my way today, is it? I'm literally just gonna put this all over my eyebrows. I'm gonna go backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. A little spoolie. Hold on, I need a baby wipe. I always need a baby wipe when I'm doing my makeup because I don't like the feel of a lot of makeup. This in my hands. And I'm just literally just gonna go with my finger and properly make sure these are flat. I'm gonna do the exact same thing for the other side. A big glob. Forwards and backwards. Make sure you get the front of your brows too, because I don't know, I feel like the front of my brows always peeks out. And anyway, next I'm gonna go in with more of the brow gel, but I'm going to do it with my finger, just like a little bit on my finger, like I'm literally just tapping this on my finger. And I'm just going, hold on, I want to set it first, hold on, on the back of this sponge. Big fluffy brush. Flatten it. And then wipe underneath. And then, so brows core. Big fluffy brush. You would think a makeup artist has colour corrector, but anyway, orange. I think I'm just gonna do it with my finger because I don't need a ton. I just need like the tiniest little bit. Too much on, and then everything you put on top will just go orange. So literally like the tiniest bit, and I'm literally tapping that up, getting the tiniest bit on. Okay, maybe I want a little bit more than that. And now I'm gonna set both of the eyebrows properly. You already know, big fluffy brush. I feel like sometimes my eyebrows, they come out of their shell a little bit, and I want to make sure that they're down there. So I'm literally just gonna use the tiniest bit of liquid latex so it can stay in place. I'm literally just gonna dip it in, make sure I'm only using the tiniest amount, so I'm just like tapping. Okay guys, it's kind of gone a little wrong. This doesn't usually happen. Not to worry. When you're doing your makeup, make sure you're very careful around your eyebrows when you're using the liquid latex because you don't want it to like pull up or anything like that. Okay, next eyebrow. Okay, that just dropped on my clothes and on my desk. It's just rude. Let's that dry. And then you're gonna want to powder it with your big fluffy. I'm gonna show you what it's like when you put makeup on top as well, because I'm all about that end result, guys. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. So also I only have white in the corner of my lips because I just told you about my white face paint. I'm just gonna show you on this side. This side I had to peel it off because it wasn't looking perfect. This isn't a perfect tutorial because I've not put any of the primer on. You would know that if you watched my previous video. One more layer. And there you go, no eyebrow. No eyebrow. Probably put a little bit more orange than I did, but that's the tutorial. Oh, I used the wrong brush. No. There you go. New brush. Bye.